Hey everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily install the application for your Nothing Headphones 1 on the Android phone, and how you can easily set up this application. At first we need to go into Play Store, then we have to enter search. In the search bar we have to search for the Nothing X here. Now, as you can see, the first option you can see is Nothing X with this icon from Nothing Technology Limited. Here you will see the install button, and you just have to tap install on your device. Here, as you can see, I do have some updates, so I will update this headphones application, and after the update we can easily tap open. As you can see, our headphones application automatically turned on, and now we have to tap get started. Here we can tap later, and now our application is now scanning for our headphones. As you can see, if you are paired with your headphones before that, as you can see, like I do, you'll have your headphones paired more easily. I don't know, maybe I do have some pairing problems. Let's wait just a little bit. Actually, I did nothing. I just reopened the application, and now, as you can see, here we do have our application. We have new voice AI, enabling seamless interaction with GPT as a custom voice AI while on the move. It is only on the Nothing phones, so yeah. Here we can tap dismiss. Here we have some quick tutorial for our headphones. Switch channels, get started. Here we can update our application now, firmware now or later. And here we do have channel hop, but we can tap dismiss it again. And now we have our headphones paired. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.